Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can actually turn or comments on or off on your Instagram post. And for that just go to your Instagram app, and for example if I want to turn comment off for this post, and you can see here the comments here, and if I want to if I don't want no more comments on this post, just click the three dot here, the upper right corner, and you can see the option there, turn off commenting, and you can just click here and it will be off. Okay, all the comments that are already here, it's gone. Okay, and you can actually choose the words to hide also. Okay, you can actually choose the different comments to different type of offensive comments, offensive words, things like that. And if you want to actually bulk delete these comments, that's also possible. Actually long press the comment actually, and then just press the first one, just long press, then after that just press. Okay, you can see here, and if you actually click the recycle bin button, it will be gone, and if you just click undo button, it will be restore again. And if you just click the three dot button again, you can see here, if you there are 5 accounts that commented on this post. So if I click here, all the accounts just get blocked automatically. It is so easily, and that's also a new update on Instagram. And if and now also, if you want to also turn on or off on your new post, when you uploading a post, that's also possible. Just when I want to upload this post about Carol Baskin, and if I just go to advanced settings, that you can see here, and just you can see the option here, turn off commenting. It is actually very quite simple. It's a new update by Instagram, and I hope it's helpful for you guys, and see you guys on the next one.